Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about ergonomics of veena player. As we all know, veena is a classical divine string instrument. The position of a player should be cross-legged sitting on the floor. Veena's tumba, that is resonant pumpkin, is placed on left thigh. Right hand plucks the string with two fingers. Left hand presses the steps from backside of the veena. Head is bent forward to see the pardas, that are steps. This is the position of a veena player. Right hand plucks the strings with two fingers. Left hand comes from backside of the veena to press the steps, and this tumba is placed on left thigh. Head is bent forward to see the steps. Prevalence of musculoskeletal disorders in the instrumentalists are very high. That is 73.4 to 87.7%. At least 75% among them experiences upper limb symptoms due to repetitive movements. Most commonly in upper limb, scapular and cervical motor control alterations were seen in the presence of prolonged pain. Females experience more pain than males. Musical performances require more concentration both psychologically and physically, that is, it requires mind-body interaction. Core muscles have to face a lot of challenge to hold the body posture for a prolonged period of time. This static position results in overstress of the muscles and joints, and that leads to musculoskeletal pain. Biomechanical relations. There are some internal and external forces that counterbalance each other to maintain a posture. If any alteration in these forces, it results in pain. Here, normally in the string players, isometric movements are seen. Prolonged static posture leads to chronic myofascial pain. Shoulders and neck are elevated or fixed laterally, and the repetitive movements associated with increase in the muscle activity that stabilize wrist, elbow, shoulder girdle, load stress on tendon that leads to chronic tendinopathy. What physiotherapist can do? Physiotherapist can optimize playing related posture, that means makes them to maintain the posture that is comfortable to perform veena. He can also improve efficiency to perform. Physiotherapist can make them to understand how to use the equipment by maintaining correct posture and to reduce unnecessary load on the body to prevent injury. Neck position. Side bending of the head. Head tilted and rests on the left arm. Chin slightly rotates on the opposite side, and this causes imbalance in the neck muscles, especially sternocleidomastoid muscle, results in pain. Cervical and shoulder. Due to continuous forward bending of the head, muscles get strained, and the ache and pain extends to right upper limb or left upper limb or both if it is a chronic condition. If it is an acute condition, it may not be present, and this can also spread to hands and fingers. Scapular dyskinesis is also seen in some cases. Lower limbs. As tumba is placed on left thigh while sitting cross-legged on the floor, it has to bear the weight of veena. Ligaments and the muscles get stretches around the knee and increases pressure on the left knee. Hence, it sometimes causes swelling and pain. This temporary increase in the blood pressure results in numbness and tingling sensation of the legs. Lumbar strain. Due to prolonged sitting for playing this instrument leads to lumbar strain, and this causes spinal instability. Due to repetitive movements in the wrist joint, there are chances to occur carpal tunnel syndrome. Due to continuous abduction and flexion of the right thumb, strain in the thenar eminence and the extrinsic thumb muscles leads to pain. There are some pulmonary problems like due to abnormal posture, intra-abdominal pressure alters. Hence, there is a difficulty in breathing. There are some other problems like wrist pain, tiredness, postural changes. Prevention. Sit with a support on back. Drink little amount of water in between the performance. Stand and change position for every 30 minutes. Simple exercises to prevent repetitive strains. Use lumbar corset. Use mattress of acupressure. Check for the abnormalities before it becomes severe. Management. Breathing exercises, cervical isometrics and rotations. Using lumbar corset. Thumb should be in rest or ice can apply. Kinesotaping. Stretching and strengthening exercises. Stretching exercises for the contracted muscles and strengthening exercises for weakened muscles. Pain control management with IFT, TENS, ultrasound or any heat packs. Surface EMG helps to relax unnecessarily contracted muscles while playing in Groningen exercise. Groningen exercise is a series of exercises that consist of neck series, hip series, like that. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like, share and subscribe for more updates.